good afternoon. Right now I'm using my Ford Territory. It's been with me for more than a month now, and I really like the performance of the car, and especially the interior. Sobrang ganda niya, very clean, and clean yung design. Big infotainment system here. I think nasa 10 inches ata tong size niya. And then I'm always using the classic mode for my gauge, because masanay ako dyan. And then the buttons here are really useful for phone, for mobile, and for music that I'm playing. The ride is very smooth, hindi mo siya masyado nararamdaman. But as it speeds up, yung steering wheel niya mas nagiging heavy na konti. Kasi kung ganito lang na normal driving, medyo slow yung speed mo, napakagaan niya talaga. So that's actually one of the things that I also like about this car, about this crossover vehicle, kasi nga yun, magaan yung wheel, so my wife can also drive this easily. As you can see, the moonroof or sunroof, mas madalas to naka-open pag nagda-drive ako kahit mainit. I don't know, I just enjoy the ride kung nakikita ko pati yung nasa taas, and it's really relaxing. Parang gusto mo na lang i-enjoy yung features na meron yung car. So there, you can see yung leather seats, perforated, maganda yung leather. And then I really get the luxurious feeling pag ginagamit ko to. Although it's not really at the price of katulad ng mga higher end variants ng ibang car brands, but still they did a very good job designing this crossover. It's really good looking, not too over designed, just the right amount of curves. Yung sa grills okay din, it's not OA. For me personally, that's just my opinion, kasi other people might want yung mga talagang muscular or mas curvy na na design. So there, I'm actually inside Friendship Route. Bang. Mabilis siya like this one. Hindi ako naka-sport mode, pero nagsi-speed up din siya kaagad. So what more if naka-sport ako? Also, we have cooling and heating function yung mga seats natin for the driver and the passenger side. So I also use that one because ngayon summer na, medyo syempre pag naka-leather seats, there's really a tendency na mas nagiging warm yung leather pag nakabilad sa araw. So this morning kasi I went out with my mom, may binili lang kami sa hardware store. So here natin Madrigal. So again guys, if you're really planning to buy, if you're planning to upgrade like from a car to a bigger one, so kung hindi naman SUV talagang gusto nyo dahil masyadong malaki. Ako before gusto ko ng SUV, but I had a change of heart when I saw this one. So I'd highly recommend this one because nandito yung comfort, Safety because it has 6 airbags. You have all the sensors installed around the car kasi may 360 view din siya. And then the braking system is really good. Kumakapit siya kaagad whenever you step on it. And for money. And then the bonus is actually the technology that's incorporated with the system in the car. So yun naman ang reason ko kung bakit ko siya binili in the first place. So ayan, so lahat yan may one push function. We have for closing the side mirrors, adjusting the side mirrors, and the locking system. So there. So I guess I'll just do an in-depth review of this car soon. Right now, impromptu video lang kasi at least makita nyo yung kung paano yung driving experience. Pero syempre iba pa rin if you go to a dealership and then you try it for yourself. Alright. So I'll see you again. So thanks guys, and please like and subscribe. Bye bye.